Okay, for this question, it talks about a sphere and a hemisphere and equal volumes. So straight away you should be thinking about what the volume of a sphere is. It should tell you in the front of your exam paper because the formulas are given. But you should know that the volume of a sphere is 4/3 pi r cubed. So if you put the two shapes equal to each other, so if you've got 4/3 pi r cubed, which is the sphere, equal to the hemisphere, well, a hemisphere is half the size of a sphere. So if you halve 4/3 of pi r cubed, you get 2/3 pi r cubed. If you then read the question further, it then tells you that the sphere has a radius of x, so that should have been an x instead of r. And it tells you that the hemisphere had a radius of y, so that should have been a y instead of an r. So if you substitute those in, you get 4/3 pi x cubed on one side, and you get 2/3 pi y cubed on the right hand side. If you then cancel both sides because they're divided by 3, so you can cancel those. If you cancel the pi's as well, you are left with 4x cubed on the left hand side and 2y cubed on the right hand side. If we then divide both sides by 2, because you can cancel down further, you get 2x cubed on the left hand side and y cubed on the right hand side. Now the question wants you to work out the value of y divided by x. So what we need to do there is get the y and divide by the x. We're not there yet because we've got y cubed and x cubed, but the 2 stays where it is. To get from y cubed divided by x cubed to get a y over x, you cube root the right hand side, so you have to cube root the left hand side. So if you cube root the left hand side, you get the cube root of 2, and that is written as 2 to the power of 3rd as requested by the question here.